I plan on not doing my hair for the year of 2019.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I make money online. I make money on.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my journey to not doing my hair for 2019. So if you guys would like to know all about this challenge I'm about to do, because I plan on not doing my hair for the year of 2019.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Well, basically, this year I really want to explore different styles on myself, and yeah, that just means not doing my hair as much, like my natural hair. So for the month of January, I decided to do some box braids, really simple on myself. And next month I'll have a different style. I'm still in between which ones I want to do, but when I do, I'm gonna make sure I upload tutorials of how I did them, because most likely I won't be going to get them done professionally just because I want to save money. And there are like tons of tutorials on YouTube on how to do like any style. Pretty much anything that you want to do to your hair, you can find it online, on YouTube I should say. So yeah, so these are my braids. It's only been 1 week and they're already itchy and flaky. I don't know what I do, but I don't put any product like on my scalp besides like a grease of some sort, because my hair does get my scalp gets dry. So I don't know about that, but yeah, these are my braids, like I said. So there's gonna be 12 different hairstyles throughout every month. But the thing is, in the summertime, I can't do braids and I can't do wigs because I get so hot and so uncomfortable. So braids I can't take out, but a wig I can take off. But styling that every single time, that's gonna be tedious. So I'll have to see how that works out. But